Welcome to the very first episode of our brand new series, IT from Zero to Software Engineer. If you've ever wanted to learn IT, get a real grasp on technology, or even dream of becoming a software engineer, then you are in the exact right place. This series is designed for you, and today we're kicking things off from the absolute beginning. What exactly is information technology? Information technology, or IT as you probably know it, is a massive field. It's all about using computers, software, networks, and all sorts of digital systems to manage information. This includes storing it, processing it, and sharing it with others. To put it simply, IT is pretty much everything related to computers and the digital world we live in. Think about your daily life. When you scroll through social media, binge watch your favorite shows, send a quick email, or even use an app to order food, that's all powered by information technology. You are using IT constantly, whether you realize it or not. And its reach is incredible. IT is the backbone of almost every modern industry. Let's take healthcare, for example. IT is crucial for managing patient records electronically and running complex medical imaging systems. This makes healthcare faster, safer, and more efficient. Now think about banking. Every time you make an online purchase, check your bank balance on an app, or transfer money, you're relying on sophisticated IT systems to handle those transactions securely and instantly. The entire global financial system runs on IT. What about education? The rise of online learning, digital textbooks, and virtual classrooms is a direct result of advancements in IT. It's making education more accessible to people everywhere, regardless of their location. And of course, in the business world, IT is absolutely essential. Companies use IT to manage massive amounts of data, facilitate communication between teams across the globe, and automate all kinds of processes to improve efficiency and drive growth. From the smallest startup to the largest corporation, IT is at the core of their operations. Because IT is so deeply integrated into every part of our society, the demand for skilled IT professionals is exploding all over the world. This is fantastic news for anyone looking to build a career in this field. Learning IT opens up a world of opportunities. We're talking about high-paying jobs, the chance to work for innovative companies, and the flexibility to work from almost anywhere in the world. The skills you learn in IT are not just in demand, they're future-proof. So, what can you expect from this complete series? We've structured it to take you on a journey from total beginner to a capable, confident tech professional. We will cover all the essentials. You'll learn the fundamentals of IT, dive into the world of programming with popular languages, and explore the exciting field of web development to build your own websites and applications. We'll also demystify databases, teaching you how to manage and work with data effectively. Beyond the technical skills, we'll cover crucial software engineering concepts that professionals use every day. To make sure you're truly prepared for the real world, we'll guide you through building actual projects for your portfolio. These projects will showcase your skills to potential employers. And finally, we'll provide practical career guidance, including how to build your resume, ace technical interviews, and successfully land your first job in the tech industry. Each video in this series is a stepping stone, bringing you one step closer to your goal of becoming a professional software engineer. We're committed to giving you the knowledge and skills you need to succeed. Ready for the next step? In our next episode, we're going to pull back the curtain and explore how computers actually work. We break down the difference between hardware and software and explain how they work together to bring technology to life. It's going to be a foundational lesson you won't want to miss. So, if you're excited to start this journey and transform your career, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is your chance to begin your IT journey today. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.